And this is John of Art, and let's go down to Lake Balinsasayaw here at San Jose in Sibulan, Negros Oriental.
You get a privilege of 30 pesos if you are from Negros Oriental, then another 20% discount out of you.
We are going to explore first the Kabalinan Pond, and according to the receptionist, these trees only grow here. This is just a preliminary, just showing you the mysterious trees that grow only here. What kind of fish is captured here?
Most of it is tilapia.
Ah, authentic, free-range, native chicken tinola with fern leaves. First time I am having this one in my soup. Never tried fern salad before. So tell me, Ken, what you think about this unique salad.
Very good. Yummy.
Wow, let me try. Oh, Hannah.
It's okay.
All right.
You like?
It's a 180-meter descent down to Lake Balinsasayaw. There's actually two lakes, Lake Balinsasayaw and Lake Danao. Only that Lake Balinsasayaw is the more accessible lake. You can do boating there, but swimming is not allowed. The Lake Danao is inaccessible, but there's a viewing deck up there where you could view Lake Danao. 250 per hour. Yeah, pila na ka oras nga ma-explore?
Kung diretso mo waterfalls, ma'am, 1.5 hour balikan na siya.
1.5 hours. Get ready to float. This is our boatman, Rodel. Hello. How deep is the lake? Unsa siya kalaw?
90 meters, ma'am.
90 meters. Pero karon nahimo nag 100. 100 meters deep because of the two big floods, typhoon Sendong and
Paulo Basyang.
Paulo and tulo na di ay.
Balinsasayaw ni siya.
Yeah.
Mount Ginsawan.
This is the trail going to Ulahay Falls here at the foot of Mount Balinsasayaw. Crystal clear water and still more falls up there. And Ken and Hannah are going up there to explore some more. And the climb is just so steep. The water is not so deep. There's a private pool in there. Looks tempting. This one also.
That water is cold. I went in.
Wow. And
Colder than Calisson.
oh yeah, that's Ken scaling the rocky path. Looks like nobody's been here.
And the view opens up to...
And that is Mount
Gintabon.
Mount Gintabon.
Sa bata pa ko, ma'am, makaon ng...
Andi ay? Called because it covers these two lakes, it hides these two lakes from the view from Dumaguete. Two twin peaks, Mount Balinsasayaw, Mount Talinis. Ew, ew. Philippine bulbul.
Karan.
Ew, ew. So that's a cricket. This is John of Art from Lake Balinsasayaw in San Jose, Sibulan, Negros Oriental. We are back.